How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about a high protein breakfast without eggs for bodybuilding. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So my breakfast is 2 scoops of whey protein and 2 cups of milk. This gives me first thing in the morning 88 grams of protein and 560 calories. It's the way I love to start my day with a high protein breakfast. There is no need to space out the protein you eat during the day. What matters is the total amount of protein for the day. For me, I get 200 grams of protein a day. By having this meal, I get almost 50% of my protein the first meal of the day. This is how I love to start the day, you guys. I will make the shake in a shaker cup. I will put a link to a shaker cup if you guys want to buy them from Amazon. Again, these shaker cups are very good. All you do is you put the 2 scoops of whey protein in, and then you put your 2 cups of milk, and then you just mix it all up. The reason for this is because if you just simply put it in a glass and mix it, you're gonna get all the clumps and the lumps. By putting it in the shaker cup, you guys, you don't get any of the lumps. So that's why I personally use the shaker cup, and that's why it's good. But again, if you guys are looking for a high protein breakfast without eggs, I know this is the question that a subscriber gave to me, then the high protein breakfast is gonna be the whey protein. It's gonna be the milk, you guys. That's personally what I've been doing for a long time, you guys. I've been doing that for probably 8 years already, you guys. Pretty well right when I first started bodybuilding, I started doing that, and it's the easiest way to get my protein in during the day. I have tried other methods where I only get in 20 to 30 grams of protein a day. I have tried this, and what I noticed by doing this only 20 to 30 grams of protein a day is that it's very hard after that first meal to get in your protein, because every single meal after that has to be pretty moderate with protein. For example, if my first meal of the day, if I'm getting 90 grams of protein, that means I can have a couple of other mediocre meals and boom, I got all my calories for the day. If I start off only with 20 to 30 grams of protein, then my every single meal after that has to be around 40 grams of protein, 50 grams of protein, you guys. So it's going to be way harder to get all my protein in for the day. And what I like to do personally, I like to have a high protein breakfast in the morning. And then what this allows me to do, this allows me some flexibility. So what I can do, I can have 90 grams of protein in the morning. For lunch, I can have a good amount of protein, and then for supper, I don't need that much protein. I can basically eat anything and get the rest of my protein in for the day. And again, I like to be flexible. Sometimes I like to go for supper with my fiance, with my friends. So it's really good to have that flexibility, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.